In our previous video, I explained about the box, components, cables, USB chargers. Right now, I will show you how to plug in and how to use. AIBOX is a very simple one. AIBOX, USB-C cable, USB-C charger, and LAN cable, power unit. Now, one by one. First. LAN cable, AIBOX. Put it to the one port and then for the power to the USB-C port. And then another one to the charger box and power unit. Finish. Now we will see lights are just coming. We will see here, yes, system lamp is just blinking, means the system is starting. The starting takes around 10 seconds. Now, one internet light is also on. Means that device is ready and ready for using in the software. The second part is to connect to VMS. Now let's start that video. Now we opened our software, NX Witness, and then we see the system is pending situation. Now we click this. Because it's a new system, we set up new system, and then we put our password, put the password again, and then finished. Now system is ready. Our server AIBOX here ready, and then right now it will scan the cameras. Yes, right now in the system it scanned all the cameras. Right now we see around 9 cameras, but all cameras has a question mark. Also some more camera also brought now, but the thing is that the cameras are all in a bit of warning. This is because the camera authentication is not done. We just put camera authentication information. We put the camera information. That's it. And the camera image comes. Right now, AIBOX started to process the images and then brings in the system. What is next? We can add the more cameras to the system. For example, let me choose a camera. Well, any camera will be good actually. Okay, I will put, for example, another camera. Yes, and this one or this one. And then the next one is to do like checking the video analytics. If the video analytics is enabled, we can do like the detecting of the person and clothing colors, and then like the bag, umbrella, helmet, etc. And one more thing that we can do here is in the camera settings, we can do a recording. We select a recording and then choose the time and start. Right now, since we have no license, we will not enable this one right now, but when we have the license, we can activate it easily. And then camera plugins also available for the additional analytics, and motion area that we can select which motion we should get an alert. For example, the 9 is more sensitive, and then 3 or 2 is not more sensitive like this. And it's so easy. We can add more and more cameras here, and also we can check the status of our AI box. This is the status, how the system is loaded. The processing power is almost not spending here like 5% or something. It's very high computing and then high powerful device it shows. And then in the server itself we can do we can put the licenses, we can put the email security, etc. And also one more thing in the system that we can do here in the server, we can do the storage. Right now we have around 4 terabyte of disk space. This is inside the AI box that, as we explained, once we start recording, everything is recorded to this disk space. It means that approximately 1 month of full recording can be done to the device, and all face recognition events also saved for the 1 month continuously. And also there are backups and some other configurations as well. In addition to this, what we can do also the cloud by using this device. For example, we just open a browser, we log in to the device itself. I mean that our AI box. Yes, this is the IP address of the device. Right now, we're accessing it, and then log in there. Yes, log in. Now we log in. This AI box actually automatically converts your cameras to the cloud if you want. If you don't want, it's okay. But if you want to monitor your camera in everywhere, you can set the cloud. Cloud is also available in various countries. And then you just connect it. You connect it to your area. For example, this is my account, and then I put my password, and then I put my device password again. Then it's almost complete. Right now my local camera becomes a global camera that I can watch in everywhere regardless of the location. As you see here, when I check the camera, my local camera here, I can see this camera. I can see all the images of the camera, and then I can see also some other my cameras as well, because these are already defined here in the cloud. And then I can remove it, or I cannot edit. Removal is also so easy. For example, this camera, I will just remove this one, delete the camera, that's it. I update the system, and then 1, 4, 2, okay, it scans again and it blinks once again. In this case, I have to stop auto scanning. System is so easy, so simple, and there are cameras, there are servers, and then I can start or add the additional storage or something to the system, and also get the analytics results, face recognitions, and everything. This is an entrance point. This is another one, and also here you can see. And then if I enable here the motion, I can get, for example, in the motion area, I can choose the motion area. Okay, in this area, if someone comes, I get an alert in the system. And also one more thing, if you have the punched camera, you can also rotate it automatically here. You can control the device. I can see here, I can manage it like this, and also I can zoom like this. For example, I will do a little bit down. I will zoom anywhere that I want. Here you can turn the camera and then just focusing in somewhere here or whatever you want. It's so easy, so simple. You can do lots of things by using these camera systems. And yeah, I get to, for example, right now I set the motion and I started getting the events on my window. That's it. That's all the thing of the system. Right now I will just disable my system. I will power off the system, and then you will see how the system is response. For example, right now for my AI box, I powered down, and then okay, it will take some time to understand. Anyway, yes, right now it's disconnected, and I connected it again. Then this will automatically be detected and restored. Right now, connection is restored again. It's so easy, so simple. I hope you like this video. I will show more in detail in later videos. Please keep in touch and then just follow us. Thank you very much, and then have a lovely day. Bye bye.